Watch and listen carefully. Have your notebook and a pen ready to take notes. Later, you'll complete a writing activity comparing this to the passage you read in the previous activity. Bobby thinks that while the internet offers many resources for learning, it can also be a major distraction for students. He often finds himself scrolling through social media or watching videos instead of focusing on his homework. With so many tempting distractions just a click away, Bobby believes it's easy to lose track of time and end up wasting hours that could be spent studying. Another reason Bobby feels the internet can hinder focus is the overwhelming amount of information available. He notices that when he researches a topic online, he often gets sidetracked by unrelated articles or ads. This not only makes it harder to find the information he needs, but also causes him to feel more stressed and less productive. For Bobby, trying to sift through all that information can be confusing and counterproductive. Lastly, Bobby worries that relying too much on the internet for learning can weaken critical thinking skills. He believes that when students have instant access to answers, they might not take the time to think deeply about a subject or analyze information critically. Bobby feels that a balance is needed. While the internet can be a useful tool, students should be careful not to let it take over their study time and focus. Prepare for your writing task. Summarize the key points from the video and discuss how they contrast with or challenge the main ideas presented in the reading from the previous activity.